Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to earn money online. When it comes to generating income for publishers, affiliate marketing is the only slightly behind Google AdSense. Sounds interesting, right? The rise of affiliate marketing has surely raised a number of questions. What is affiliate marketing? How do I start affiliate marketing as a beginner? And how much can a beginner make in affiliate marketing? Is affiliate marketing profitable? Don't worry, all the queries will be answered today. Hello viewers, my name is Rahul Chandra and today we are going to understand all the necessary information you need to know about affiliate marketing. Let's first understand what does affiliate marketing means. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy in which a merchant, typically an online one, rewards a website with a commission for each customer directed via the website promotional action. The website, often called an affiliate, will only get paid when its advertised promoted result in transaction. You don't always require a network to become an affiliate. The affiliates, the product developers, and the consumers are the primary part of an affiliate program. This brings us to another question: who is an affiliate? An affiliate, often referred to as a publisher, can be a person or a business. These are usually other bloggers or content producers who work in the same field as the product they are making. By producing content for the product or services, such as blog entries, videos, other media, they participate in promotions. The affiliate marketing industry is expected to reach an estimated worth of 12 billion. Now, many of you would be wondering, how do I start affiliate marketing and become an affiliate marketer as a beginner? Most individuals mistakenly believe that affiliate marketing involves promoting the goods or other person's business to earn a commission. While you can also choose a product you love, spread the word about it and profit from each transaction you generate. Choose a platform and build an audience. You must possess influence to be an affiliate. And the best way is to use an online medium such as website, blogs, social media, YouTube channels, and newsletters. As soon as you build an engaged audience that brings high traffic to your online presence, sign up for an affiliate program. How do you sign up for an affiliate program? The finest way to get started with affiliate program is by signing up for an affiliate program. You will receive an affiliate link with a special ID after signing up. Then you can include this link in your content and start your affiliate marketing journey. How do you select a product? Once you sign up for an affiliate program, it becomes crucial to select the right product to promote. Make sure you choose a product that you are extremely familiar with. As you get more and more transactions completed via your promotional campaign, you will start to generate revenue. The revenue you earn may vary, especially when you are just starting your affiliate journey. How do you get paid? As a beginner affiliate marketer, you can earn up to 30% of commission on each sales. The business typically pays you about a commission every month, although this can change based on the rules of the affiliate program. On an average, a beginner can earn up to rupees 30,000 a year. Not bad start, right? The revenue will start to increase as you build your more engaging audience. As we come to the end of our video, I just wanted to add that future of affiliate marketing in India seems bright, as people are making a lot of money through every month doing this. Recent years have seen a sharp rise in affiliate marketing initiative as a low-cost method of digital marketing. Now, this is the perfect time to enter the affiliate marketing domain, and I hope this video provides you the right information and helps you in starting your affiliate marketing journey. In case you wish to know more about what is affiliate marketing, check out our affiliate marketing guide, and if you wish to practically learn more, do consider taking up the demo session with us. The link to the session will be provided in the description box below. For more informative videos on digital marketing, do consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.